Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. Did you lose access to your Microsoft Authenticator? Don't worry, recovering it is easier than you think. So guys, let us begin. Firstly, check for backup options. You need to firstly open your Authenticator on your new or restored device. Firstly, of course, download it from the App Store or Play Store. Sign in into your Microsoft account, so use the same account linked to your previous Authenticator setup. If you previously enabled cloud backup, the app will automatically restore your accounts. After that, you can also restore from recovery codes. So look for the recovery codes you saved when setting up two-factor authentication for your accounts. Log into the respective services using these codes and add the accounts back to Microsoft Authenticator manually. You can also contact the account support by visiting the support page of the account you've logged out of. And once you regain access, reconfigure two-factor authentication in the app. And that's basically it. Hopefully this helps you. Thank you for watching guys, press like on this video and subscribe. See you next time.